What's the biggest batch you've ever had in your life as an Instacart shopper?
What does that even mean?
Like the most amount of money, most amount of food. You ever get a $300 batch?
I got a $250.
Oh, $250
It was $250.
batch?
It was from Costco.
Bro, that's your whole work day right there.
Yeah, it was
literally
insane.
Elias and I, we spent 8 hours making $100.
That is really crazy to me.
You should watch our vlog.
That is really
I'll send it to you after. Yeah. So $250.
Yeah.
How many items? Like
It
500
was
items?
Costco, and I remember I had.
It must take you 5 hours.
No, they ordered actually a lot of alcohol, like the really expensive tequila. Oh, like the ones in the black boxes.
Yeah.
They ordered like 6 of those. And
Well, that's easy. Just literally
No, exactly.
put them in the cart.
They tipped like according to the percentage of the bill. That's what happened there.
Oh, and it was like $1,000. So
It was
they're
a
like,
crazy
throw on
amount of money.
$150, 15%.
Yeah.
Dang, that's crazy. $250.
Yeah.
You probably tapped that screen so fast.
Oh yeah.
You probably didn't even look at the items.
This is like what I look like. Refresh, click, done. Like I'm so.
You don't even look at the items first?
If it's over 100, I usually just get it because
Okay.
those are pretty rare.